Number one, you see those ones that will tell you, so for me, for a lesser price, I'm going to bring you plenty customers. That is a lie. They're not going to bring you any customer. Run away from such people, or at least charge them the normal price. They're not going to bring you any customers. Number two, you see this one that will give you a work and then they will not pay you. Then when they are bringing another work, they will pay you for the first one while they are owing you for this one. Then they'll bring you another one, they'll pay you for the second one, then they are owing you for the third one. Run away from such people. At the end of the day, if you check, you are actually suing for them for free at some point. So run away from such people. Number three, you see those ones that will give you 10,000 naira job and give you 100,000 naira problem. By all means, you should run away from this category of people. Then the fourth category of people, there are some people that will bring work for you, and your mind is somehow your mind will be telling you not to accept that job. More often than not, you should actually not accept that job, because by experience, I can tell you categorically that such jobs won't end well. It has happened to me so many times where my mind will be telling me, or my conscience or something is telling me not to accept the job, and I'll go ahead and accept it. And at the end of the day, it will not end well. It will end so. If your mind is telling you not to accept a job, please do not accept it. Then the fifth category of people you should stay away from as a fashion designer are the people that will tell you, this is my first time, therefore you should give me a 50% discount or reduce money for me. Oga, even if it is your 100th time, even if it's your first time, you are going to pay the money every other person is paying. There is no exception. So I just mentioned 5 categories of people you should stay away from. You can add more in the comment section. Let me hear from you. Let me learn from you. Have a great day.